Today's lesson will be on how to create a table of contents using the References ribbon in Microsoft Word. The first thing you're going to do is go up to the Office button. We'll open up a document that has multiple pages. Go to the M drive, and then Computer Apps, go into My folder, and then Teacher Training Documents, and we're opening up the Mozart Handbook Practice. To set up your table of contents, you'll need headings that the table will reference. So we're going to go through and add a couple of those. The beginning of this first paragraph, type childhood, and then enter down, so that is your heading. Go down to the beginning of the third paragraph, and we'll enter down, and then I'm going to go up a line and backspace so that that is not indented, and we're going to type languages. And then we'll scroll down and we'll go to the beginning of the next page and we're going to type in misadventures. Again, I'm going to backspace that indent. And we'll do one last one in front of the paragraph that says Mozart amassed an impressive body of work. And again, backspace, we'll call this one lifetime work. So basically what we did there was just add headings to each of those sections. Now we need to create these as level 1 headings. And so what that means is you're going to highlight the heading you just typed. So we'll go back up to childhood, go to the References ribbon, and in this Table of Contents section, you're going to click on the Add Text, and you're going to make this a level 1 heading. Go ahead and do the same thing for the other 3 headings we added. So highlight languages, click on level 1. And then again for misadventures, we'll make that a level 1. And again for lifetime work, we'll make that a level 1. Typically a table of contents goes at the beginning of your document. So we're going to click in front of the heading of this document and we're going to insert a blank page. So go up to Page Layout, Breaks, and we'll insert page break. So now you have a blank page at the very beginning. The next step, you go back to References and you're going to click on Table of Contents, and you can select one of these, Automatic Table, or you can select Table of Contents and choose your options. So if you want to do it as a template design, you can scroll through and see the different options you have. We'll do a fancy heading. It says here it's going to right align the page numbers. If we want to have tab leaders between that, we can select what we want. We'll do dots in between there, and we'll go ahead and click OK. Now we have our table of contents. If you don't type table of contents when you start, you'll have to enter down and then create a blank line so you can write table of contents. And you can format that how you want. If you don't want it underlined, you can un-underline that and so on. The next thing I'm going to show you is how you can update this. Go down to the last page and click in front of lifetime work, and we're going to put this on a separate page. So with your cursor right in front of the L, go to Page Layout, again insert a page break, and now this is on the 4th page, and we need to have our table of contents reference that. So if I right click, I can update the field, we'll update the page numbers, and it automatically updates our table of contents.